candy today. We're gonna open this candy, so fun. And it's gonna be so yummy and sweet. Let's get started. Open it. Wow. It's gonna be so fun when you play with it. Here's the coin so you can get candy. And this is the top of the candy. And this is the heart of the candy. And this is the stick cream. And this is for the lollipops. And this is the battery so she can move. And these are the pieces. And now this is for the piece of the leathers. So let's get started building. Let's start with this body part first. Put this over here. There we go. We need this one. We can open it. We cannot open it, guys. Come on. I can open. I'm so scared. This one is gonna be over here, but we can't put it. That's for the wheel. Instruction have the color like this one.
Okay.
So guys, let's go put this part over here. And let's put this part over here. We do now.
I think
Okay. Because they are gonna be can't move when we want to roll them around. We need to put the wheel on. Snap up the wheel. Oopsies. We need to spin it like this. We need to put it down and lay it down. And we need to put this.
A few moments later.
Look, this one is don't have sticker, right? Have instructions, so this one belong over here. On the top of the tin lid. We should put it over here. Put it here as an umbrella. And now you meet the screen sides. This is for you to roll it around.
the handle.
Yeah, the handle. can set. Who want to buy some ice cream? Ice cream, and some candy and some chocolate. Who want to buy some? Like that. So you need to roll it all in the time. Count until 100 money you get. It's a fun game. I cannot do it. Can you? So guys, when you press the button, so adorable, right, guys? The song is so cute, and it turn around. So guys, so adorable.